Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am in Qatar. So guys, this is an office tour. A new design of office Downlighters. So guys, join me as I want to take you through the new technology, how you can design your office using this new creative tips on how to design your office when installing downlighters lightings. So hope you will enjoy the full video as I take you through this new technology of aligning the downlighters in your office. Please, if you are new, welcome, and for the returning subscriber, thank you for returning to watch my videos. New subscribers, thank you. If you are new, please hit that subscription button, like the video and share to friends so that they can learn this new technology. Welcome and enjoy the full video. So guys, we are starting with the corridor. This is the corridor guys, and this is a full setup on how the lighting will appear. This is just the cabling aligned in the corridor. So let me show you, let me take you so that you can see very well guys. First one, this is a downlighter, and second one here we have a point for alarm system. This is the detector. We have here our cable here. This is light. Here we have cables for HDMI, power cable, and for waves for TV. So guys, you see the alignment of cables, each in position, and we have measured. Here we have our cable for data. See guys, we have cables for speakers. See guys, how our cable are aligned in one line. So hope you are enjoying the video. This is a waiting bay. See guys, how our lights will be fixed. These are just cables aligned. Here we have our consumer units. See guys, the cable are ready. See guys, cables are ready. Up we have the air conditioner. So for this room, at the corner we have cable for internet. At the center we have cable for downlighter, and one at the window at the middle of the window. The others are here. See the points for downlighter, and between we have the cable point for smoke detector. So let me take you and see the lobby. This is a setup for ceiling, guys. See it? See, guys, how the lights points are arranged. See, guys, you can see it. Let me zoom so that you can see it very well. See, guys. See, hope guys you are enjoying. So we have lamps, we have the here will be the Wi-Fi, the data, and the point for smoke detector between the two lights, downlighters. See these points and these guys. So we have two downlighter, the data cable, have the alarm points or detector at the middle of the points. So this line we have three. We have 1, 2, 4, 5 lamps. The downlighter. See the first one, and the second one. Second one, guys. You can see it very well. See, guys, this is the first one is there. That point. Second point. See, guys. See the third and the fourth point. So we have here where our snake lights will be fixed in between here. So guys, I just urge you to support by subscribing to our YouTube channel. We are road to 4,000 subscribers. So guys, you see this is the point for smoke detector. Here we have point for manual brake gas at the entrance of the door. Up here we have the point for smoke sounder, alarm sounder. So guys, as you see, please support by subscribing to my channel. We are road to 4,000 subscribers. So see guys, I am taking you through the we are in Qatar, guys. So this is the new technology for aligning the lights, downlighters, how to set the ceiling. See guys, I will bring the full video when the work is done. After fixing the lights, this is just to show you how we have arranged our cable. So also I will make a full video to show you after finishing after fixing the lights, when the work is done. So you see, like this, we have the cable for internet. Maybe we have proposed to put here one Wi-Fi. We have the downlighter, second downlighter aligned together. Have the point for alarm, smoke detector, and have there one point for camera to monitor this corridor. So you see it. See guys, this camera will be monitoring this corridor like this. So just guys, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, guys. See setup, guys. See guys, the downlighters. So just outside view. So support by subscribing, guys, to my channel. So we have come to the end of this video, guys, and if you are new to this channel, guys, please, I just urge you to support by subscribing. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, share to many friends. Thank you guys for watching. And if you have a project, you have an office, a new building, you want us to set for you the ceiling and install the downlighters, do the electrical works, cameras, data, fire alarm, you can reach on us through our email, which is optechappliances@gmail.com, or you can call us or WhatsApp us through our number, which is +254 07 16 77 18 +254 716 77 18 10. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.